దక్షిణ భారతదేశంలోనే ప్రథమంగా 400 ఛానళ్ల ఆవిష్కారంతో యాక్ట్ పలుకుతుంది స్వాగతం సుస్వాగతం. మరియు ఆహుతులందరికీ ఇదే మా వందనం.
అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. మీ పర్మిషన్తో నా 2 మాటలు ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడతాను. ఆనరబుల్ శ్రీ వెంకయ్య నాయుడు గారు, ఆనరబుల్ మినిస్టర్ అర్బన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ అండ్ పార్లమెంటరీ అఫైర్స్, గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా, శ్రీ కామినేని శ్రీనివాస్, మినిస్టర్ ఫర్ మెడికల్ అండ్ హెల్త్, శ్రీ మాణిక్యాల రావ్, మినిస్టర్ ఎండోవ్మెంట్స్, Sri Narayan Reddy, MLC, Sri Hari Babu, State President of the BJP, colleagues from the industry, friends. Nellore is a very interesting place for us. We've seen the entrepreneurship that it delivers to us for the past 7 years that we've been engaged here. We started this journey 7 years ago with a company called ACN. And since then, I think we've made multiple milestones. When metros were just about launching digital television, we chose to launch way back in 2009, a 160 channel digital system in the city of Nellore, and Nellore accepted it. As we moved on, we launched the next year HD, a year ago, HD channel, news 24/7 local in HD, one of the first in the country. We've launched internet services and we are now the largest internet service provider in the city of Nellore. All of these things I think have happened because Nellore has received us with open arms. We are today, as we stand here, launching a system that has 400 digital channels in a system, and this is the first MSO in all of South India and all of India in tier 2 and tier 3 cities to have done this. And we are very proud to say that we've not only launching today 400 channels, also we're launching 440 HD channels to make sure that the city of Nellore receives the very best that is there in terms of entertainment and information. We today, as we stand here, there are multiple stakeholders. Obviously, the viewing public is the largest stakeholder, and we believe that we owe it to the viewing public to give cutting-edge, high-quality services, and we believe that Nellore is in the forefront of this. We are the largest service provider in the state of Andhra Pradesh as an MSO, as a broadband, a fixed wire service provider in any metro. Beyond that, there are other stakeholders such as the LCO community. I think it has been a very engaging and fruitful partnership, if you will. MSOs and LCOs around the country are fighting hard to find the right formula so that both survive. However, I think we have managed that balance here, and by making sure that we are providing cutting-edge services and the LCOs taking it to the homes, there is a very vibrant, robust partnership that we have developed here. Any company, when it exists in an environment and a community, must be part of that community. More importantly, if you are in what I would call the media business, I think it's more important that you engage with the community. We today have engaged completely with the community here. We have monthly health programs free of cost. we do, as a part of the Swachh Bharat campaign, we are doing monthly cleaning programs. We are here adopting all the schools in Nellore, all government schools in Nellore, we want to adopt and deliver water, clean water, benches, technology services in the form of internet, and so on. The idea is that we engage with the community. We engage, for example, we're engaging with the police by giving them free internet in their police stations. We're engaging, say, can we put cameras around these busy areas for monitoring. And we are trying our very best to make sure that we as a stakeholder in this city are totally engaged with the community here in all aspects. As a media company, having a news network that is 24/7, we also have a responsibility of the stakeholders there. One of the challenges of TV news journalism, if you will, is what I call lazy journalism, instant journalism. It is very easy for us to say paint everything black. It's easy to take a tar brush and paint everything black. But I think the onus is on us to make sure that we communicate without taking sides, biases, whatever it is. The good, the bad, the ugly, all of those things have to be done in a fair and objective manner and allow the viewer to decide what is right rather than present a biased view. And that, I think, is very important, and that's a commitment that we want to make to the city of Nellore, that we will try and ensure that the reporting will be unbiased. The reporting will have a positive slant rather than a negative slant, because it's so easy for the reason of saying you want TRP to say we will do a negative bias. As you mature as an industry, I think it's very important that we do this, and that's a commitment that we make to the city. So today we are launching these 400 channels, and we make a commitment to the city of Nellore that we will be at the cutting edge. ACT as a company is wherever it is in its marketplace. In Hyderabad, we are the largest internet service provider with a 70% market share. We launched 2 years ago in Bangalore. We are delivering month on month more consumers internet than all of the other telcos put together. We launched in Chennai a year ago. I'm proud to say that as we stand 2 months ago, even there, we've become the largest service provider in terms of the additions we are having every month. We are happy that we found a niche, we found the technology, we have the ability to deliver, and the consumers are accepting us as a company that has their needs in mind and is starting to deliver it at a cost that's affordable. I look forward to making sure that the dreams of this town and the dreams of the state and the dreams of the government in the center in terms of digitization, one of the dreams is we must have a digital country. And my hope is over the next 3 years, when we look back, ACT would have traveled that journey with the governments to make sure that every home in Nellore has an internet connection and is digitally enabled. Thank you very much.